Okay. Questions. What is epsilon naught? What are the dimensions of it?
Epsilon naught is permittivity in free space. The dimensions are Coulomb -2
How
Newton
to find
meters
it?
per square.
How to find it?
How to find epsilon naught?
Yes.
Epsilon naught, huh?
The dimensions of epsilon naught. How to find the dimensions of epsilon naught?
Oh, epsilon naught equals to wait, sorry, so 1 second. K equals to 1/4 pi epsilon naught. So epsilon naught equals to 1/4 pi K into K.
Okay. Get the dimension from this.
Okay, so as 4 and pi are constants, they won't have any dimension, and K's dimension is oh, sorry. Okay, 1 second. The dimension of Q So can you hear me? Sir, I can't hear you.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. There is a network issue here. Fine.
Okay.
In Coulomb's law, if the distance is doubled, what happens to the force between two charges?
It'll decrease by 4 times.
If why is Coulomb law called a central force?
Why is Coulomb's law?
Called a central force.
Why is Coulomb's law called a central force? Sir, I'm not sure about this answer.
Okay, there must be some books called together with, you read them, okay?
Okay, sir.
1 marker, 2 marker from there.
Fine, sir.
Answer is because it acts between the center of the two charges. The distance r which you take is between the center of the two charges.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Okay. Why is repulsion?
1 second, sir. Can I wear my earphones? I can't hear you properly. 1 second.
Why is
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
why is repulsion a sure test of presence of charge but not attraction?
Okay, so repulsion is a test of charge because two light charges will repel each other, but then so a charged object and an uncharged object also attract each other. So you can't check if both of them are charged with attraction. But if two particles repel each other, then they are for sure like charged objects.
Very
You can
good.
say, yeah.
Very good. Do you have a pen and a thick pen and a paper, whatever the thickest sketch pen or whatever you have? Write Coulomb law in vector form and show it like this on a paper.
Okay, sir. I have to derive Coulomb's law.
No, just write the last expression. Last expression of.
Oh, okay. So 1 second. Yes, sir. Should I show it to you or should I send it?
Yes, show it on the screen. F21 is डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? 2 के नीचे क्या लिखा है?
R
मॉड लगाया है क्या उस पे?
नहीं. I put it and then I erased it.
क्यों?
Right, because there's the vector forms over here.
Show it again. You have put a cap over it, right?
Yeah.
That's a unit vector.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. It's not exactly correct, but yeah.
Okay. So I put like mod. Right?
Yes, you should always put. You can't square a vector.
Oh, right. Okay,
You
sir.
can always only square numbers, which is you can only square scalars. You have to put a square mod over it before square.
Okay, so I got it. I'll remember next time.
What do you mean difference between F21 and F12?
F21 is the charge. Is the force on the particle 2 on the charge particle 2 by the particle 1.
Very good.
F12.
Enough. Good. What is electric field?
Electric field of an object is the area where electric field of an object is the area where you can find the electric field lines.
Are you saying electric field is the area? No, it is not. How do electric field lines from a positive charge look like?
Should I draw it?
No, just explain in words like essay.
Okay, so electric field lines of a positive charge.
Oh,
they go outwards. Like, yeah.
They end at?
Huh?
They end at what point? Which place? They
don't end, they go in circles.
They start at the charge.
Yeah.
But where do they end? A particular line will start at the charge and it will end at which place?
So I'm not sure about this either.
They end at infinity. They go on forever.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
If the electric field at a distance 3 centimeters from a charged particle is E. If the electric field at distance 3 centimeters from a charged particle is E, what is the electric field at distance 6 centimeters?
Okay, sir. 1 second. The electric field of a charged particle at 3 centimeter is
E,
P.
capital E, or whatever, X. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What is the electric field at a distance 6 centimeter?
Uh, Electric field. Will it be okay, so wait. It'll be 2x. Will it be?
Very bad. Very bad answer. It's E by 4 because the distance is doubled. Electric field is KQ by R square.
Oh, right.
What is a dipole?
Dipole is basically two opposite the opposite and equal in magnitude charges separated by distance 2a.
What is dipole moment?
Uh, so I'm not sure.
Is dipole moment a scalar or a vector?
It's vector
The direction is from what to what?
from positive to negative.
That's in chemistry.
Oh, right.
How do you, okay, on a notebook, make a charge at 0, 0 and a charge at 10, 0.
Okay.
0,
Can I do it
0,
with
10.
pen?
What?
Can I do it with pen?
Yeah, pen, paper, pencil, whatever.
Okay.
You have to answer. You don't have to show this, okay?
Oh, okay.
0, 0, 10, 0. At 0, 0, there is plus q. At 10, 0, there is plus 4q.
Okay.
What is the distance between the charges?
So 1 second, in 0, 0, that's plus q, and 10, 0, that's plus 4q.
Yes. What is the
Okay.
distance between the charges?
So wait, oh, distance between charges 10 units.
Okay. At which point, approximate, okay, at which point is the electric field 0?
Um,
First answer left of 0, between 0 to 10, or right of 10.
I think it's right of 10.
What stupid answers are you giving now? Have you not done the entire equilibrium of charges? Electric field 0, where is electric field 0? Those questions, those all objective questions in the worksheet. Last
Yes,
worksheet
I've done.
then how are you saying the electric field is both are positive charges? How are you saying that the electric E 0 or the equivalent
Oh,
point?
okay. So it's 0 between the two charges.
Yeah. So between 0 to 10.
Yes, sir.
If I ask you specifically in 0 to 5 or 5 to 10, in which of the two intervals?
1 second, sir. It'll be in between 0 to 5.
Good. Why?
Since plus Q is smaller, the electric field will be less.
Okay. Okay, now if I find out the force on plus 4q due to plus q, that force will be in plus I cap minus I cap.
Okay, so the force due to plus Q.
It's in plus I cap direction or minus I cap direction?
Minus I cap direction.
Where is plus 4q?
At 10, 0.
Is this force attractive or repulsive?
Repulsive.
So in which direction the force will be on plus 4q? Right or left?
Left.
What? If the forces are repulsive, they act away from the charges.
Yes, sir.
Plus
Okay,
q is
right,
on the
right,
left.
right. Sorry. Then, okay, yeah, the repulsive force is towards the right,
So on the plus 4q, it is in plus I cap or minus I cap.
plus I cap.
Don't do silly mistakes.
Yes, sir.
On plus q, it is in which direction?
Minus I cap.
Okay. My next question and last question to you is, if in place of plus 4q, it was minus 4q. If it was minus 4q, in which region do you think the equilibrium point should lie? Equilibrium point is also called where electric field is zero.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 second. If it's minus 4q. So it'll be like
सही बताना, गलत मत बताना, सोच के.
okay, so 1 second. So it'll be like and it won't.
Why?
Since both are attracted to each other, the electric field will be between.
Ask the question is the equilibrium of these two charges.
It'll be in between plus q and plus 4q.
Wrong answer. Revise the equilibrium concept again, okay? Where they
Yes. Thank you, sir.